Hi guys, Monty the Polka Dot Pinecone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today to show you guys, I showed you guys a haul, I don't know, a week or two ago, that I got from Allie. And I showed you guys these dies and I was like, I'm not sure how this is going to work. Well, I couldn't find any videos on it. There was no tutorial on the place that the site that I got it. So, um, it does, the dies didn't look anything like the pictures that they had, as you know, the examples of what it cuts out. So they were supposed to be like star rosettes and rounded rosettes. Anyway, I played and played and played with it. Finally realized that what you have to do with these, and I should have known with a rosette, that you got to cut out multiples. But this one takes like 8 times. You have to cut this out like 8 times. So this one is a rounded one. And that's the one I played with first, and this is what it makes. So it's really pretty, but just so you know, you do have to cut it out like 8 times. But look how thick it is also. So they make like a really, not just like a rosette, but like a flower also. So you could like put this, on a straw or something, make a wand, things like that. But yeah, this is what it makes. So like I say, super cute. Once I finally figured it out and then got it all down on how you fold it and how you attach them, then it went fairly quickly. But the first couple that I made, and let me show you, this is actually the first one I made, and you can see how bad, because it's been folded and folded. I kept folding it different directions, trying to figure out how it was supposed to go, and I kept thinking, this is just not going to make that. How am I? So anyway, I was just cutting out scrap paper, so I got 2 different colors of paper here, and like I say, it's pulling apart and stuff because of how many times, I had folded it back and forth and worked with it. But then once I finally figured it out, put this together, then the next 2 went good. So anyway, this is one I made, and it works best with double-sided paper too, because you can see, you can see all along the insides and stuff. So I'd definitely recommend using some double-sided paper. This one I just added some little pom-poms to the middle that matched. So a really cute product. I guess I was just thought I was going to have to cut it out once and it was going to make this shape. I think part of it too is because in the like the first initial picture of it, it didn't look like it was this thick. And so, I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, this is how it turns out. Really cute. And so each one of these little things is one piece. So one of these all folded up is one little section right here. And then once you get all the sections done, then you gotta either hot glue or, like double-sided tape. You want to use a real heavy, real strong tape, because when I was putting these down, some of them were like coming off. So when I did the hot glue, it worked well, and then when I used like the score tape or like the red line tape, that works great. So anyway, that's how it turns out. So really pretty, really chunky, and of course, possibilities are endless of how you would decorate and stuff. And I just, like I say, threw some pom-poms on there for this one. And then this one is the pointy one. So this is how this one turned out. So, and this is the one I was really most excited about when I purchased the dies. I really liked how this one looked. And you can when you put these sections together, you can see here's how thick it is. So double-sided paper again. And then I just, punch a circle out. But anyway, what I was going to say is you can either make these, as you put them together, attach them farther up so they'll stay together like this one, or you can leave them separate, not tape them up as far, and so they kind of give like a little gap in between. So there's different looks you can get by how you glue them. And you could probably get a different look also if you didn't, like say you just maybe used only 4 of them and then just like spaced them out around a, like a straw or something like that. And then, you know, you might just have like, just like the 4 sections. So there'd be like big space in between. So I guess you could really do a lot with it. And it showed a few different things. Once I went back and looked down in the description and saw a bunch of different ones. You know, it gave you a bunch of different examples. But I didn't go down in that section when I just looked at the first front page when I ordered it. But when I was looking back trying to find a video or something, instructions on how to do it, it didn't. That's when I saw all the different variations that it did. But anyway, so yeah, it makes it cute. And some, I think they even might have called it a flower rather than a rosette, but I can't remember for sure. But anyway, so I just wanted to come back on and show you guys that I figured it out, and this is what they make. So if you guys go on there and get that die, just know that you got to cut it out like 8 times. But once you get going, it goes pretty quick, and then it makes some gorgeous things and really thick. So like you're not going to want to be able to do this on like flat mail because it's, yeah, way thick. So anyway, just wanted to come back on and show you guys that I figured it out and how it works. So if any of you guys decide to get that one, I haven't played with many of my other ones yet. Only one I've done is the ticket, which this is a real nice big ticket, and I sent some in some Happy Mail to somebody, and they really liked it. And I didn't decorate them. I just sent them bases so they could decorate them however they wanted. But anyway, yeah, that's really cute. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So hope it helped some of you if you guys decide to buy it. And anyway, I'll be back on again soon with some more videos. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.